We are in a housing crisis right now in the United States. We need millions of homes in order to accommodate the larger demand. But there's a big problem right now. We're in this interest rate environment, which is making it increasingly difficult for millennials, first-time home buyers to actually buy these homes. And baby boomers are swooping in and buying what's left. But also developers right now are having a difficult time. Cost of materials has gone up, and their demand because of these interest rates is keeping them on the sideline. They are not building. However, we are building. So our team at Morris Invest, along with our partners and development partners at SDIRA Wealth, have been building brand new construction properties for our clients. Now, we offer a full service rental real estate experience for our clients where they can buy a piece of rental property, get it fully up and running with a property management company, and they just get to sit back and let the cash flow come in every month and own a great piece of real estate, an asset that is a hedge against inflation. And we handle everything. Our customer service team handles everything from top to bottom. Again, these are new construction properties built in the best states in the country, the most landlord-friendly locations in the best school districts. Again, new construction, rental properties, and that's the value of working with us. So Jade is going to take you on a tour behind the scenes, walking you through the property, explaining all of the amenities of the property. And if you are interested in buying one of these properties, it's very simple to do. You can go to morrisinvest.com, click on the big book a call button right there, and jump on the phone with us for 30 minutes. And we'll let you know what inventory we have available. We have financing built into all of our properties, and we'll be able to have a one-on-one discussion with you about your current situation and if rental real estate is perfect for your portfolio. So here is a look at Jade walking through one of our properties, giving you a behind-the-scenes tour. Enjoy.
Hi guys, this is Jade Honeycutt with SDIRA Wealth's Client Experience Team. I'm going to take a little bit of time today to show you guys our newest property that we've recently got in. So if you want to follow me, we can check it out. So these properties are 3-bed, 2-bath with a 1-car garage, and they're about 1,271 square feet. There are a few different things that are driving tenants to the area, and one of the biggest factors is just going to be the fact that there is a brand new elementary school in this school district. So the Anita Carmona Elementary School is located in this area, so anyone going or living in this area will go to that school district. So this area drives a lot of family traffic, and it also does drive in some college students as well, just because it is about 2 minutes from the college campus. And another great thing about this area is that it's actually located really close to 2 Amazon facilities that just opened up recently here in Lubbock and brought quite a few jobs here. Leprino Foods is also coming into the area, and they'll be setting up shop just north of where this development is located. So we imagine a lot of those employees will want to be in this area as well. And another huge factor is just the location. So this community is actually situated right next to the 2 biggest freeways and loops in Lubbock. So you have I-27 going on the east side of this subdivision, and you actually have Loop 289 just south of this subdivision. So you can get anywhere in Lubbock from here in about 10-15 minutes since you're so close to those areas. Another thing that is great in this area is the fact that you have the option to accept Section 8. So Section 8 is accepted in this area. It's totally up to you if you want to accept Section 8 in your property. That's something you would need to discuss with your property manager. But this area is popular for Section 8. I always recommend it just because it is guaranteed rent. At least a portion of it is guaranteed by the Housing Authority each month. And on top of that, the Housing Authority also does inspections with their tenants at the end of their lease period. So tenants are motivated to take care of their property and pay their rent because they don't want to lose their voucher. There are also a few adjustments that we made in this property just to make it a little bit more investor friendly. So you'll notice as we walk through in a second that all the flooring in here is actually vinyl plank, which that is fantastic for landlords just because your cost of replacing vinyl is going to be a lot lower than it were if you had to replace carpet. And tenants prefer vinyl anyways, just because they don't want to live in a house where someone else lived on that carpet either. Some other adjustments that we made is we actually included a fridge in this property. Stainless steel appliances, you're going to get the dishwasher, stove, and the fridge.
And that's actually a benefit here in Lubbock, just because tenants here typically have to bring their own fridge, so that's definitely an added bonus. And then another adjustment that we made, we actually did turf landscaping and xeriscaping in these yards. So the front is actually going to be rock landscaping and the back is going to be turf. And that is a benefit for tenants in the area because Lubbock is known for being very dry. I personally water my yard and it costs a lot, so tenants here prefer to have turf, which is a lot easier to maintain. You don't have to worry about mowing and watering it, and it's still viable for the pets. So those are some of the adjustments that we made. Now we can just take a look.
So our thanks to Jade for giving us a behind-the-scenes tour of some of our properties there in West Texas in the Lubbock area. Thanks so much. Beautiful properties. If you would like to book a call with our team and take advantage of getting one of these properties, you can do so right now. Just go to our website, morrisinvest.com. Click on the book a call button there, and you'll pick a 30-minute time slot that suits you on your calendar, and we'll give you a call at that time. We'll also have a link in the description below. So take advantage of these homes right now, guys, because before the end of the year, especially locking in and being able to close in this calendar year, you get all the tax benefits of buying a property in this calendar year. Guys, go to the link on our description and we'll see you soon.